What if I told you the biggest lie men over 60 believe is that losing your strength, your desire, and your ability to perform is just part of aging? Because it's not. I've sat across from hundreds of men who whispered the same fear to me. Doctor, I don't feel like myself anymore. And what they were really saying was, I feel like I'm losing what makes me a man. Here's the truth no one explains clearly. This decline doesn't start in your age. It starts in your blood flow, your hormones, and the silent habits you repeat every day without noticing. When circulation slows and testosterone drops, your body doesn't just weaken, it disconnects. From energy, from confidence, from intimacy. But this is the part that should give you hope, because what's been damaged can often be restored. My name is Dr. James, a urologist with over 30 years of experience helping men reclaim their vitality, and I'm going to show you a simple kitchen formula, something surprisingly powerful, that targets the root cause of poor blood flow and low performance. In today's video, you'll discover why this happens and how to reverse it. And it all begins with one hidden change happening inside your blood vessels. 1. The silent drop in blood flow that most men ignore. Let me start with something most men never see coming. It doesn't happen overnight. There's no sudden pain, no clear warning, just a slow, quiet change. One day you notice your erections aren't as firm. Another day, they don't last as long. And eventually, you stop expecting them at all. What you're experiencing is not just aging, it's a gradual loss of blood flow. Here's what's really happening inside your body. Your blood vessels rely on a natural compound called nitric oxide to relax and open. When it's working well, blood flows smoothly into the penis, creating strong, lasting erections. It also supports your prostate by keeping circulation active and reducing congestion. But after 50, your body produces less nitric oxide. Your vessels become tighter, slower, less responsive. And the result is exactly what many men fear but rarely talk about. Weak erections, reduced sensitivity, less desire, and those frustrating trips to the bathroom at night that interrupt your sleep and drain your energy. I remember a patient, Mr. D, 68 years old. He came into my office and sat quietly for a moment before saying, "Doctor, I avoid intimacy now." Not because he didn't want it, but because he was afraid of failing. That fear had started to affect his relationship with his wife. He felt distant, embarrassed, like he was losing a part of himself he couldn't get back. But when we looked deeper, the issue wasn't his age, it was his circulation. His blood simply wasn't flowing the way it used to. And here's the part I want you to hear clearly. This is not permanent. Your body hasn't forgotten how to function. It just isn't getting the support it needs. When you improve blood flow, everything begins to shift. Erections become stronger, energy improves. Even your confidence starts to return. And the first step is simpler than most men think. You need to start supporting nitric oxide production naturally, through what you put into your body every single day. But here's where most men go wrong. They either ignore this early warning sign, or they jump straight to temporary fixes that don't rebuild what's been lost. And that brings us to the next critical piece. The simple kitchen formula that can help restore this process from the inside out. 2. The daily habit that quietly starves your blood flow. There's a habit I see almost every day, and most men have no idea it's slowly shutting down their circulation. It's not something dramatic. It's not smoking or alcohol. It's much quieter than that. It's what you don't put into your body each morning. You wake up, maybe have coffee, maybe skip breakfast, maybe eat something quick. But you give your body nothing that actually supports blood flow. And over time, your system begins to run on empty. Here's why this matters more than you think. Your body needs specific nutrients to produce nitric oxide, the very compound that allows your blood vessels to open and deliver blood where it matters most. Without those nutrients, your vessels stay tight, restricted, sluggish. Blood doesn't reach the penis the way it used to. It doesn't circulate through the prostate effectively. And testosterone slowly loses its impact because the system that delivers it is no longer working efficiently. This is when men start noticing the signs. Erections that feel weaker, difficulty maintaining them, a drop in desire that feels confusing, more frequent urination at night, and a kind of fatigue that sits deep in the body. I remember a patient, Mr. L, 70 years old. He told me, "Doctor, I still feel young in my mind, but my body doesn't respond anymore." He wasn't dealing with a major disease. No serious diagnosis, but his daily habits were starving his body of what it needed. He skipped real nutrition, lived on convenience foods, and every morning, his body missed another chance to rebuild blood flow. Over time, that gap became his reality, not because he was aging, but because his body wasn't being supported. And this is where I want to reassure you. This is not a life sentence. Your body is incredibly responsive when you give it the right inputs. When you begin to supply the nutrients that support nitric oxide, circulation can improve, blood flow can return. Function can be restored, but it has to be intentional, it has to be consistent, and it has to start with something simple enough that you can actually do it every day. That's exactly why I recommend a simple kitchen formula, something natural, easy to prepare, and designed to feed your blood vessels what they've been missing. Not a pill, not a shortcut, but a real, biological solution your body understands. And in the next part, I'm going to break down exactly how each ingredient in this formula works, and why this specific combination is far more powerful than most men expect. 3. Why this simple kitchen formula works. Most men hear about a natural drink and assume it's just another trend, something temporary, something mild. But this is where they underestimate what their body is truly capable of. Because when the right ingredients come together, they don't just support your body, they activate it. And this specific kitchen formula works for one reason. It directly targets the system responsible for blood flow. Let's break it down in a simple way. Your body needs raw materials to produce nitric oxide, the compound that opens your blood vessels. Without it, everything slows down. Now, beetroot is one of the most powerful natural sources of nitrates. Once inside your body, those nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, helping your blood vessels relax and expand. That means more blood reaching the penis. Stronger response. Better endurance. Ginger plays a different role. It improves circulation and reduces the low-grade inflammation that stiffens your blood vessels over time. Lemon supports this process by helping your body absorb and use these compounds more effectively. And cocoa, real, unsweetened cocoa, helps improve the flexibility of your blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely. When these ingredients work together, they create something powerful, not a spike, not a temporary push, but a steady improvement in how your body delivers blood. And that's when men begin to notice the difference. Stronger erections, easier to maintain, less effort, more natural desire. Even fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, because improved circulation helps reduce pressure on the prostate. And perhaps, most importantly, a return of confidence. I remember a patient, Mr. S, 65 years old. He told me, "Doctor, I don't need to feel 25 again. I just want to feel normal." He had tried different supplements before, nothing consistent, but when he started using this exact combination daily, something changed. Not overnight, but steadily. Within weeks, he noticed more responsiveness, less hesitation. And for the first time in years, he stopped worrying before intimacy. That mental shift alone changed everything for him. And I want you to understand this clearly. This is not about forcing your body, it's about supporting it. Your system already knows what to do. It just needs the right input. And when you provide that input consistently, your body begins to rebuild what was lost. But here's where many men unknowingly sabotage their progress, even when they're using the right formula. There's a common mistake that quietly blocks these benefits from happening. And in the next part, I'm going to show you exactly what that mistake is, so you don't undo the very progress you're trying to create. 4. The hidden mistake that cancels the effect of this formula. Let me tell you something most men don't expect. You can be using the right formula, the right ingredients, even doing it every morning, and still see little to no results. Not because the formula doesn't work, but because of one silent mistake that blocks everything, and that mistake is inconsistency. I see this all the time. A man starts strong, drinks the formula for a few days, maybe a week. He feels a slight improvement. Then life gets busy. He skips a morning, then another. Then he goes back to old habits: coffee on an empty stomach, processed foods, not enough water. And without realizing it, he shuts down the very process he just started to rebuild. Because here's how your body works. Nitric oxide production is not something you turn on once. It's something you support daily. When you stop feeding your body what it needs, your blood vessels don't stay open. They slowly return to that tight, restricted state. And when that happens, the symptoms come back. Erections lose firmness again. Desire fades. Energy drops. Nighttime urination returns. It feels confusing, frustrating, like nothing is working. I remember a patient, Mr. B, 69 years old. He told me, "Doctor, I tried that drink you recommended. It worked for a few days, then everything went back to how it was." When I asked him to walk me through his routine, the answer was clear. He wasn't consistent. His body never had the chance to stabilize and rebuild. This is the part most people underestimate. Your body heals through repetition, through daily signals. When you consistently support blood flow, your system begins to adapt. Blood vessels stay more relaxed. Circulation improves not just temporarily, but sustainably. Hormones respond better. The prostate becomes less congested. But without consistency, none of that lasts. So here's the simple shift I want you to make. Treat this formula like a daily ritual, not a test, not something you try, but something you commit to every morning without negotiation. Drink it slowly. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Give your body the environment it needs to respond. It doesn't require perfection, just consistency. Because once your body realizes the support is constant, that's when the real change begins. And in the next part, I'm going to show you exactly what that change looks like over time, what you should expect in the first few days, the first few weeks, and how that quiet physical shift turns into something much deeper: confidence, control, and a sense of being yourself again. 5. What happens when blood flow comes back? Let me ask you something simple. When was the last time you truly felt in control of your body? Not just functioning, but responsive, alive. Because when blood flow starts to return, that's the first thing men notice. Not just performance, but a shift. A quiet but powerful change that builds day by day. Here's what's happening inside your body when you stay consistent with this formula. As nitric oxide levels improve, your blood vessels begin to relax more easily. Blood moves with less resistance. It reaches the areas that need it most: your penis, your prostate, your brain. And when that happens, your system starts to reconnect. Erections become stronger, not forced, but natural. Easier to achieve, easier to maintain. At the same time, improved circulation reduces pressure on the prostate, which can mean fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom and deeper, more restful sleep. And when sleep improves, everything improves. Energy, mood. Even testosterone begins to work more effectively because your body is finally in a state where it can respond. I remember a patient, Mr. G, 72 years old. He came back to see me after about 2 months. He didn't rush in. He walked in calmly, but with a different presence. He sat down, smiled slightly, and said, "Doctor, I didn't think this was possible anymore." He told me he was sleeping through the night again. His energy had returned, but what stood out most was that he no longer felt anxious before intimacy. That quiet fear, the one he never talked about, was gone, and in its place was confidence. Not the kind you force, the kind that comes back when your body starts working with you again. And I want you to understand this clearly. This isn't about becoming someone you used to be. It's about reclaiming what's still there. Your body doesn't lose its ability, it loses support, and when you restore that support, things begin to come back. Gradually, naturally, in a way that feels real. So here's my advice to you. Keep it simple. Stay consistent with the formula. Give your body time to respond. Don't chase perfection, just build the habit, because this isn't a quick fix. It's a shift, a return to function, a return to control. And if you've made it this far, then you already know something most men ignore for years. This isn't just about blood flow, it's about your identity, your confidence, your sense of being yourself again. And that's exactly what we're going to bring together in the final part. 6. Reclaiming control, what your body is trying to tell you. After 50. There comes a moment in every man's life when the body begins to whisper before it ever starts to fail. A little less energy in the morning, a little more hesitation at night, a few more trips to the bathroom. These are not random changes. They are signals. And the most important lesson I want you to take from everything we've discussed is this. Your body is not betraying you. It is communicating with you. The danger is not aging itself, but misunderstanding what aging truly means. As we grow older, the body becomes more sensitive, more dependent on how we treat it. Blood flow slows if we don't support it. Hormones weaken if we ignore them. The prostate becomes vulnerable when circulation is poor and inflammation builds quietly over time. But none of this happens overnight. It happens gradually, and that is exactly why you have the power to intervene. When you understand what your body needs, when you correct the small, daily habits that silently shape your health, you begin to shift the direction of your future. Think about where you could be 1 year from now. If nothing changes, those small symptoms may deepen. Fatigue becomes your baseline. Intimacy becomes something you avoid. Confidence fades in ways that are hard to explain, even to yourself. And over 3 to 5 years, what once felt like a mild inconvenience can become a permanent limitation. Not because your body gave up, but because it was never supported in the first place. But there is another path, a very different one where you take what you've learned today and apply it consistently. You support your blood flow. You nourish your body with intention. You respect the signals instead of ignoring them. And slowly, something begins to change. Energy becomes more stable. Sleep becomes deeper. Your body responds again, not perfectly, but reliably. And with that comes something even more valuable than physical function: control. Because at this stage of life, control is everything. Not control over time, not control over age, but control over how you experience both. The difference between decline and vitality is not luck, it is awareness, followed by action. You don't need extreme measures. You don't need complicated systems. What you need is clarity and the willingness to act on it. A simple formula, a consistent habit, a conscious decision to stop neglecting the very systems that keep you alive, energized, and connected. So as you move forward from this moment, I want you to remember this. Your body is still capable, still responsive, still worth caring for, and every small decision you make, starting today, shapes the man you will be in the years ahead. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. Because the more you understand your body, the more power you have to protect it. And at any age, that power is something worth holding on to. If this video helped you see your health in a new way, take a moment right now to like it and share it with someone who might need this message but hasn't heard it yet. Your support helps more men regain their confidence and vitality. Leave a comment below and tell me what part resonated with you most or what you're struggling with. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss simple, powerful strategies to restore your strength, your energy, and your control at any age.